the LDF government led by Shri Pinarayi Vijayan is trying to steal the popular mandate by enrolling bogus voters in Kerala. There are three kinds of glaring irregularities in the electoral list that have come out. Number one, same voter has been registered multiple times on different booths. Number two, same voter has been registered in different constituencies. And third and the most fraudulent is that picture remains the same, but the name has been changed to enroll someone multiple times. It's a clear-cut case of fraud. It cannot happen without active complicity of the state machinery, the state officials, the LDF government, as also partially the officers of the state electoral machinery. So we pointed out all these facts and have asked the Election Commission of India to urgently intervene and to clean the electoral list so that LDF government led by Shri Pinarayi Vijayan cannot defraud the people of Kerala and cannot tamper with the majesty and fairness and transparency of the electoral process.
So what is the number of these duplicate voters in the whole state?
It is estimated that the total number of bogus voters is over 4 lakh. And as you are well aware, in Kerala, that's almost the total victory margin between UDF and LDF. So, facing defeat in his face, Mr. Pinarayi Vijayan and LDF are losing the next election. Looking at defeat in their face, staring at their face, they are now trying to dishonor, disrespect, disregard the mandate of people of Kerala by indulging in such malpractices, which we have now listed for Election Commission of India.
So what the Election Commission of India has assured you?
The Election Commission of India has taken a very serious note of the issue, and they have told us three things. One particular voter instance which we pointed who was enrolled 8 times, they have suspended the officer. Number two, they have drafted an officer from Delhi to look at the cleaning process. They have also given directions to the CEO to look at all the instances that we have submitted and ensure that one person cannot vote multiple times. In addition thereto, we have requested them to delete these multiple names from the list in exercise of power under Article 324, as also register an FIR both against the voter who's in a fraudulent fashion registering himself or herself multiple times, as also against the official who has registered them.
The last question is to you, sir. Today, the farm unions have called Bharat Bandh against these farm laws, and today it's almost 4 months of them who are agitating on the borders of Delhi. How do you say this?
देश के 62 करोड़ अन्नदाता उनकी आत्मा कराह रही है। 300 से अधिक किसान कुर्बानी दे चुके। देश का पेट पालने वाला किसान और देश को जवान देने वाला किसान आज सड़कों पर दिल्ली के बॉर्डर पर न्याय की गुहार लगा रहा है। देश का किसान और खेत मजदूर अगली फसल और अगली नस्ल की लड़ाई लड़ रहा है, पर दिल्ली की सत्ता पर काबिज अहंकारी भारतीय जनता पार्टी और उनके सुल्तान माननीय नरेंद्र मोदी जी को इस देश के 62 करोड़ लोगों की पीड़ा और व्यथा दिखती नहीं। मोदी जी, इतने ज्यादा अन्याय मत करिए, इतने ज्यादा निर्दयी मत बनिए कि आसमान भी फट जाए और धरती भी, और सबसे पहले न्याय फिर भाजपा के साथ हो। अगर आप किसान को दुत्कारेंगे तो फिर ये देश आपको दुत्कारेगा, ये याद रखिएगा। और इसीलिए आज कांग्रेस नहीं, पूरा देश भारत बंद में किसान और मजदूर के साथ खड़ा है।
नमस्कार, मैं हूं मानक गुप्ता। अगर आपको हमारा ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो इसे लाइक और शेयर जरूर करें, और हां, हमें सब्सक्राइब और फॉलो करना ना भूलें ताकि आप देश और दुनिया की कोई खबर मिस ना करें। तो जुड़े रहिए हमारे साथ और देखते रहिए न्यूज़ 24।